If you are tired of constantly buying disposable batteries and dealing with drawers full of half-dead cells, Zithion-X Rechargeable Batteries offer a smarter and more powerful solution. Designed to replace single-use AA and AAA batteries completely, Zithion-X delivers long-lasting power, ultra-fast USB-C charging, and consistent performance across all your everyday devices. From remotes and toys to flashlights and tools, these batteries are built to simplify your life, save money, and eliminate battery waste for good. What is Zithion-X Rechargeable Batteries? Zithion-X Rechargeable batteries are advanced lithium-powered AA and AAA batteries designed to replace traditional disposable batteries and outdated rechargeable models. Unlike standard rechargeable batteries that require bulky charging docks and deliver weaker voltage, Zithion-X batteries feature a built-in USB-C charging port directly inside each battery, allowing you to plug them in and recharge them just like a smartphone. These batteries are engineered with smart lithium technology and an integrated power management circuit that delivers a stable 1.5V output. This means they perform just like premium disposable batteries, but without the waste, the cost, or the inconvenience of constant replacements. Zithion-X batteries are built for people who use batteries regularly and want a long-term solution that is reliable, powerful, and environmentally responsible. One set of Zithion-X batteries can replace up to 1,000 disposable batteries over its lifetime, making them one of the most cost-effective battery solutions available. How does Zithion-X work? Zithion-X batteries use smart lithium cell technology combined with a patent-pending power management circuit that controls energy flow for maximum efficiency. This allows the battery to deliver consistent voltage throughout its entire charge cycle instead of slowly fading like traditional batteries. Each battery contains a built-in USB-C charging port, meaning you simply plug a cable directly into the battery to recharge it. There is no external dock, no special charger, and no complicated setup. You can charge one battery or multiple batteries at the same time using the included multi-port cable. Inside the battery, protection circuitry prevents overheating, short circuits, overcharging, and voltage fluctuations. Once fully charged, the battery automatically stops drawing power, so it is safe to leave plugged in without damage. When installed into a device, Zithion-X delivers steady power that keeps electronics running at peak performance until the battery is fully depleted. This prevents flickering lights, slowing motors, and weak performance that often happens with disposable or low-voltage rechargeable batteries. Features and benefits of Zithion-X. Zithion-X batteries are engineered to last up to 4.7 times longer than standard disposable batteries. This extended runtime means fewer battery changes, fewer interruptions, and more reliable performance for high-drain devices like flashlights, toys, tools, and gaming controllers. The ultra-fast charging system allows a full recharge in under 2.5 hours. With the included multi-port USB-C cable, you can charge 4 batteries at once, making it easy to keep your entire household powered. Each battery delivers a full 1.5V output. Unlike traditional rechargeable batteries that only produce 1.2V, this higher voltage ensures better performance in sensitive electronics that require full power to operate properly. The built-in charge indicator shows battery status at a glance, eliminating the frustration of grabbing dead batteries from a drawer. You always know which ones are ready to use. Zithion-X batteries are designed with a leak-proof sealed casing that protects your devices from corrosion and damage. This makes them safer for use around children and inexpensive electronics. They are built to withstand over 1,000 recharge cycles, which means a single set can last for years with normal use. This saves hundreds of dollars over time compared to buying disposable batteries. The batteries are carbon neutral certified, helping reduce landfill waste and environmental pollution. Each battery replaces thousands of disposable cells over its lifespan. They work with virtually all AA and AAA compatible devices, including remotes, clocks, toys, flashlights, cameras, wireless microphones, tools, and emergency equipment. How to use Zithion-X rechargeable batteries. Using Zithion-X batteries is as simple as using any regular battery. Insert the battery into your device just like a normal AA or AAA battery and use your device as usual. When the battery runs low, remove it from the device and plug a USB-C cable directly into the charging port built into the battery. You can use the included multi-port cable to charge multiple batteries at the same time, or plug each one individually into any USB-C power source. Charging typically takes under 2.5 hours. Once fully charged, the battery automatically stops charging to prevent damage. After charging, unplug the battery and place it back into your device. There is no memory effect, so you can recharge at any time without harming battery life. Each battery can be recharged up to 1,000 times, giving you years of dependable power from a single set. Zithion-X pros and cons. Zithion-X batteries offer significantly longer runtime than disposable batteries, making them ideal for high-drain devices. The built-in USB-C charging eliminates the need for bulky chargers and makes recharging incredibly convenient. The full 1.5V output ensures strong and consistent performance across all devices. The leak-proof design protects your electronics, and the environmental benefits reduce waste dramatically. Over time, they save a substantial amount of money compared to disposable batteries. The main drawback is the higher upfront cost compared to buying a pack of disposable batteries. However, this is quickly offset by the long lifespan and reusability. Another limitation is that they require access to a USB-C charging source, although most homes already have multiple USB outlets available. Overall, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks for anyone who uses batteries regularly. Price and where to buy. Zithion-X rechargeable batteries are available directly from the official website to ensure authenticity and warranty protection. The standard pack starts at $29.99 plus shipping. Bundle offers include buy 2, get 1 free for $59.90 AA with free shipping, and buy 3, get 2 free for $89.97 with free shipping. These bundles provide the best long-term value and ensure you always have charged batteries ready. Each purchase includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to test them risk-free. Orders ship within 24 to 48 hours and typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. To avoid counterfeit products and ensure warranty coverage, it is recommended to order only from the official website. Zithion-X Rechargeable Batteries. Conclusion: Zithion-X rechargeable batteries offer a powerful modern alternative to disposable batteries and outdated rechargeable models. With long runtime, fast USB-C charging, full 1.5V output, and a durable leak-proof design, they deliver reliable performance in every device. Over time, they save money, reduce clutter, and eliminate the need for constant battery purchases. If you want a smarter, cleaner, and more convenient way to power your home, Zithion-X is a long-term upgrade that simply makes sense.